Why?
I don't know.
Why, Mom?
I'm here. Don't ask me 2 questions.
Ah.
Alright, BRB, guys. BRB. BRB. Alright, yo, I'm back. I just had to throw away some garbage. We back. Alright. I don't think that one's good enough anymore. But yeah. What you gotta do is you gotta take your empty box of matches and cut off this piece. Right? And then you wanna fold it in half. I'll show you that in a minute. Take it and then just... You can probably hear my brother in there.
I'm not gonna stop playing before you set something on fire.
I'm not. Alright, wait, come here. You wanna watch?
Yeah.
Alright, so what you gotta do is you gotta take your scissors and you gotta... Brady, hold this. You wanna help?
Yeah.
Alright, hold it. Just like that. With both hands. Both hands. Alright, don't move anything. Right?
I. Oh.
And that's how you cut that in half. And then you want to fold it in half.
Oh. Can I pause it?
No, don't pause it. You can't oh, actually you can. Oh, wow, that's something new. I could have made this video a whole bunch better for you people. But whatever. And then you just want to fold it in half.
Ow!
Like that. Brayden, shut up. Really?
I think I got it on backwards.
Shut up. No, you don't. Shut up. Alright?
Alright.
You just want to fold it in half just like that. And then when you got that, aim it down just like that. Alright? Just like that. Don't move it at all. You want to light the thing that you folded in half.
It's like a mountain.
Oh, shoot. It's not like a mountain, you weirdo. There we go.